So this time I guess video quality will be better and text size is also larger. Let's solve second problem of Leetcode. Okay, it's of medium level, so I am expecting it to be a bit harder, but let's see how hard it is. Okay, so let's shift it a bit. Okay, what I'm said is that you're given two non-empty linked lists representing two non-negative integers. Digits are stored in reverse order and each of their nodes contain a single digit. Add the two numbers and return it as a linked list. You may assume that two numbers do not contain any leading zero except the number 0 itself. Okay, that's fine. Next I have this input and this plus this will give me this. Okay, because they are in reverse order, so I'll add 2 with 5 to get 7, 4 with 6 to get 10, and 1 carry. So 3 plus 4, 7 plus 1 carry, 8. So this is how I'm to return. Okay, so basically this, I mean, first node will be unit place and following up to 10, 100 and so on. Okay, on average, around 1 out of 3 solutions were correct or actually accepted. Well, I haven't seen it before, but okay, I need not to say anything. Okay, they have created a node already that has the value pointer to itself, constructor that will initialize it with some value that I am to possibly pass in this, and these are to just, okay, these are not for me. And now let's put it back to the thing. Okay, so I have these things here and now let's start it. So firstly, I understand that I'll return the answer. So I'll create the answer pointed to answer. So list node star answer, that is new list node that is initialized with 0 actually. And the next thing I have is another pointer to this node, not this node, any node that I'll be working with. So list node star current equals to, okay, I can start that with answer only because initially it is at answer, then it will be updated later on. So I also need an integer value that will hold carry. So this is equal to 0 initially, and now I have three cases. If everything is perfect, then it's good. If any of the list is over now because I'm moving unit place 2 ahead, then there is the case that one of the lists get empty or completed its number and another is still on. So if any of the list is there, then I'm to do this. Or another case is I have a carry, so still I'm to continue. So while L1 is there or L2 is there or carry is there, then do this. Now what I'm to do, okay, because I can't directly insert values because I'm not sure whether value will be there or not, so I'll store L1 value if L1 is there, otherwise I'll store 0. Same way I'll store value in L2 if L2 is there. Okay, this will get the values. Now what I'm to do in current next. So in the next of current, I'll get a list node. So a new list node, and that will have value v1 plus v2 plus v, okay, plus carry. Okay, there is a case that it will exceed 9, so I should put this more 10. Now it will make sure to put it within the limit of 10. Okay, and now this is here. Now current will have next of current, so this is it. This way it will just update, and next I am to do is and to okay, this is it. If carry is there for the next, then carry will hold this whole thing, but this time there won't be more, there will be division, because clearly I am to have the value that is after the unit place. So I got carry like this. Now I am to also make these two guys move ahead. So if L1 is there, then L1 will have L1 next. Same way, if L2 is there, then L2 will have L2 next. If they are null, then I won't be moving them ahead, and if they are, then I'll do this. And okay, so this is end of while loop, and after this I'll get my answer stored in ANS. Okay, that is the case. And now what I'll do, actually the answer is holding the first node, and same what current is doing. So current did all that stuff, and now that answer is pointing to that. So what I'm to return, I'm to return answer next. Now I guess it should work, but let's see. Wait a minute. Okay, yeah, it should do this. So it is accepted. Great. Let's run it again for the full stuff. Wow, perfect. Um, my speed is getting reduced by the percentage of people who submitted successfully, but that's all right. That doesn't matter. If that matters, then I'll handle that later. So I hope this problem makes sense to you. Let's revise this in a minute. So we have this. Okay, let's minimize this. So what I did basically, I have this answer. Okay, and this is having same, but this will move dynamically. I have the integer that will hold the carry, and while any of these things exist, then I'll store value 1 in this, value 2 in this. If they do not exist, then I'll store 0 in them, and then I'll move this node to the next of current, then current will move ahead, then carry will also be updated if any of these things are there. If they are not, then they are just null. If they are, then they will be updated like this, and ultimately I'll return answer next. So I hope this video makes sense to you. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and share with your coder friends. Thank you.